Make the ground shake.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Spark Your Curiosity. Many of you probably have known Elon Musk, a man who created game at age of 12, self-taught programmer and rocket scientist, founder, CEO, lead designer of SpaceX and Tesla Incorporation, founder of The Boring Company and PayPal, co-founder of Neuralink, OpenAI, Zip2 and chairman of SolarCity. These all are companies, and that's what we are going to explore in this video. What are the purpose of these companies and what are their aim? And of course, why we need these companies. But if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it and share the video to as many people as you can. So without wasting time, let's get started. Number 1. In year 2000, the company named Cofinity, which developed security software, had no success. But Elon Musk, the founder of online banking X.com, was sure of the future success of online money transfer. So he closed all his projects and focused on PayPal. But soon he was removed from his own company X.com. But this didn't stop him, and Elon Musk came up with the company in 2001. The idea of online money transfer was something new and less secure for the people at that time. It was seen that PayPal was hacked by international hackers, which was really a big problem for the company, as it was losing millions of dollars every month. So to tackle this problem, a fraud monitoring system was taken in use. Even after many ups and downs, PayPal is one of the hit right now, generating revenue more than 1,777 crore US dollar and established in more than 200 companies with 25 currencies. Number 2. Now friends, sometimes it is argued that human species dominates other species because human brain have some distinctive features which other animals don't have, like humans can think. But think what will happen when artificial intelligence outclass humanity in those features and become super intelligent. I would only say that just like fate of others depend on us, so might the fate of humans will depend on AI. And therefore, to prevent this, an American neurotechnology company, Neuralink, had been founded by Elon Musk in 2016. This company is developing a very small chip that has thousands of electrodes which can read and write, and I think it is already developed. And this small chip will be embedded in human brain that will communicate to our neurons and will ultimately enhance our intelligence to those of AI, which means we can become super intelligent. This company also aims to treat serious brain diseases with the help of this device. A link where Elon Musk is explaining about Neuralink has been given in description. Number 3. You know, some famous scientists like Stephen Hawking and Stuart Russell feel that if advanced AI someday by chance gains the ability to think itself, then this could lead to human extinction. And Elon Musk also characterizes AI as humanity's biggest existential threat. Since it is impossible to stop AI development, I think we can do some changes in it. And therefore, just like Neuralink, a company called OpenAI, that is an artificial intelligence research laboratory, has been established by Elon Musk. It conducts research in the field of AI with the aim to promote and develop friendly AIs that does not become a threat and benefits humanity as a whole. Number 4. SpaceX. Yes, this is the company owned by Elon Musk. But do you think why he had interest in space? So it's all because of his curiosity for the human colonization on Mars, to grow plants there, to develop reusable launching systems and make space ride very affordable. To implement his goals, he went to Russia to buy cheap rockets but returned empty-handed, and then he realized that he could himself start a company which will build affordable rockets. But while experimenting the rockets, this led to the mission failure. Like in June 2015, CRS-7 launched a satellite, but before the launch, a loss of helium pressure was detected, and cloud was appeared around the rocket, and just few seconds after, the rocket exploded. In September 2016, Falcon 9 was exploded during pre-launch static fire test. The satellite valued $200 million was destroyed. But on February 6, 2018, at Kennedy Space Center, Florida, first launch of Falcon Heavy. In this, SpaceX launched one of the Elon's favorite sports car, Tesla Roadster, into outer space. But the most fascinating situation was the vertical landing, and the landing of the vehicle gone successfully failed and gave them credit for their work. The same experiment was also carried by Europe and Japan but failed, whereas Elon Musk was also failed but finally they made it. Number 5. Now, are you aware of a latest technology, Hyperloop? Well, it's not a latest. Concept of Hyperloop was already introduced by Robert Goddard in 1910, but the idea was put into work by Elon Musk in 2013, and therefore an American transportation technology company, Virgin Hyperloop, was opened to commercialize this high-speed technology concept, the Hyperloop. The company was established on June 1, 2014. And friends, it will not be only used to transport humans, but also be used for cargo. They want Hyperloop to glide in vacuum at a speed more than 1200 km, of which they have achieved 300 km per hour. Their aim is to make transportation fast and sustainable, and the fact is that company have made a deal to develop Hyperloop from Bengaluru to Chennai and Mumbai to Chennai in India. Number 6. Elon Musk is not only talking about colonization on Mars, but also is talking about saving our Earth. In today's world, sustainable development is the key to all the problems, and that's why Tesla company, formerly known as Tesla Motors, was founded in July 2003, which is well known for its modern electric car. But this company does not only focus on making electric cars, but also work on electric storage and production. Let me tell you a fact. This is the case of South Australia. In September 2016, South Australia was hit by devastating storm, which blacked out the whole South Australia and they had to live in darkness. Their conservative Prime Minister accused that this is happening because the state is focusing on sustainable energy rather than using fossil fuels. So Tesla CEO Lyndon Rive tweeted that we could solve South Australia problem within 100 days by planting 100 megawatt battery storage. Therefore, Australian billionaire tweeted and asked Tesla that whether they are serious. So Elon Musk tweeted with a raise that Tesla will install the system within 100 days or they will do it in free. And that's what they did. In 60 days, they had installed the system and South Australia became a country having world's biggest battery storage. Not only this, Tesla is also building up gigafactory for power production. During an interview, Elon Musk was asked that whether gigafactories are sufficient enough to solve world problem, and he replied that by their calculation, about 100 gigafactories is enough for the world to become sustainable energy users. Today, around 3 gigafactories have been already built. Friends, that's all. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.